Hi, I'm Raghav.
And I'm Tom. I'm an engineering science professor at the University of Oxford, where I work on heat transfer and aerodynamics. I'm also a mountaineer, and on a mountaineering trip I had an idea for a more efficient pan.
After meeting Tom, I was intrigued by his passion for solving problems. When I shared my experience with large-scale cookware manufacturing, we saw an opportunity to work together. Conventional cookware only heats from the bottom. Our patented fin design guides heat across the bottom and up the sides of the FIREUP Dutch oven, resulting in faster and more even heat distribution, saving energy each time you cook.
Adding fins to the pan takes more heat out of the hot plume and makes it more efficient. We spent a few years optimizing it, and the result is this product.
We're excited to launch the 5-liter cast iron Dutch oven. The one kitchen classic that can do everything, from baking and frying to boiling, sautéing, searing and roasting. And it's versatile too. Works with all cooktops including gas, induction, and goes in your oven. Our goal is to merge modern cookware design with traditional cast iron cooking experience. Here's how we did it. Speaking with professional chefs, we made design improvements down to the smallest details. A 4.5mm wall thickness, extra wide handles, easy to clean, and just the right size to cook for 4 to 5 people. After months of sketching and countless prototypes, we focused on the next step, manufacturing. We approached multiple factories across the world to find cast iron experts who were truly invested in collaborating with us. The FIREUP Dutch oven is made in an 80-year-old foundry in Belgium using the latest manufacturing technology. We use the highest quality, chip-resistant enamel so that your Dutch oven lasts a lifetime, if not more. We personally spoke with hundreds of passionate home chefs and cast iron enthusiasts to find out their cooking habits and preferences. Some love to recreate traditional memories and recipes, while others created and tested new ones. But all shared a love of gathering people together over food. We have completed the design and tooling, but we need your help to bring it to your kitchen. Your pledge will help fund the minimum production run and make the FIREUP Dutch oven a reality. We're fired up. Are you?
You're not really going to say that, are you?